Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're beginning the update now, so first confirm backup and power. Tap Settings, then General and Software Update. This begins the fetch process. Once the update appears, read the brief list of changes and tap Download. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi because large downloads can stall on cellular. If storage is tight, offload apps or remove large media quickly. You can restore them later. Once download completes, the installer will verify before prompting you to install, so don't leave midway. Now you'll install iOS 17, and you should understand why steps matter. Tap Install. You may be offered Install tonight. Use that if you need the phone now. Enter your passcode when requested because the system needs authentication for critical changes. The phone will reboot and show a progress bar. This can take 10-30 minutes depending on model and build. If prompted for settings updates, accept them to enable new features. Make sure the device remains charged and on Wi-Fi until it finishes. After installation, you'll go through final setup prompts, sign into your Apple ID, and enable desired privacy options. Open key apps to confirm they launch and then update all apps via the App Store. Compatibility fixes matter. If your phone appears frozen on the Apple logo or progress bar for over 30 minutes, don't panic. Force restart first, and if that fails, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes recovery mode to reinstall iOS. This preserves data if recovery proceeds normally.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.